If y'all can't see this, I don't know what, but y'all can see your boy got a new car. Ooh, is that a 350? Ew. I said I was gonna get a new car by my birthday, and that would have been either the 2.0 Accord or that would have been a Beamer, a 330i. I didn't want to go 330i only because I heard about the B48 engine and the power that I would want to push wouldn't last on those, especially maintenance on a Beamer is a little bit more expensive than a fucking Honda, okay? Because Honda's parts are cheap to buy, all right? So I went with the Honda 2.0 Accord. It is a sport, it is a 2021. You guys probably would have saw the color on the thumbnail, but yes, it's the Steel Knight Pearl, which I wanted since the jump, bro. Now the mods I already have on the car. I got the car I think 2 weeks ago. I did the ambient lights already. You guys know I love my ambient lights, but I also have the ones in the door now. Now the ones in the door goes all the way around. That one I had to hardwire in. I got the mods from Redline Mods. If you guys have a Honda Accord or you're in the Honda community, bro, everybody knows who Redline Mod is, bro. Best fucking tutorials on installations, best items that he sells on a website too. Like this guy, he's all around, like he's everywhere, bro. Everyone knows him, bro. I did take the taillights from my last car. I put them on this one. One thing I did change though, I changed my LED reflectors. I bought the ones where it's red by itself when it's on, but when turning, it turns yellow. Because if I get new taillights, the turn signals will be yellow, so it'll match, right? That's all I've done so far. Oh, and I can't forget the front splitter, bro. I put the front splitter on. It looks super mean, bro. Super aggressive in the front. I can't wait to show you guys. This video, bro, I'm literally just gonna show you guys the car. I might go to a car wash after I go to the gym, because I'm going to the gym right now. But in the meantime, let's cruise, bro. Let's enjoy the car. I got Apple CarPlay now. Like, I got heated seats. Bro, this car is pretty much a baby type R. That's right, baby type R, right? Baby type R. I'm saying it's practically the same engine. It's just a little smaller turbo. But if I were to buy the type R turbo, it can fit easily into this car. Easily into this car. Oh my god, I have paddle shifters now, guys, bro. Oh, I'm so happy, bro. Paddle shifters. I have a sport button now. It's the button right here instead of the gear shifter, which it grew on me, I'm not gonna lie. So all I can say is God is good, man. God is good, bro. I paid for this shit. I worked my ass off, and look where we're at. I want to get an exhaust in this car, bro. This car is a little too quiet for me, I'll be honest. But the exhaust that I want is $1,200, bro. I only got 51 miles left, so let's see what I can do with this, really. Put that bitch in sport mode. This shit takes off, bro. You see the boost gauge right here? I'm already at 80. Oh my god, I'm already at 80. Oh fuck. Let me go ahead and close my sunroof. You feel me? Yeah, man, I'm enjoying this car, bro. One thing I can say is though, this car, bro, this shit takes fucking gas, bro. Bro, oh my god, my 1.5 did not do this shit. Cause I'll be honest, I drove the 1.5 in sport, well, sport everywhere. I'm only saying this because my car was an LX, so I didn't have a sport button. I had the shifter, and I put it in S mode. All that pretty much meant was that the car was at a higher RPM. That's all. Like, I didn't feel like an increased throttle response, in my opinion. Not as much as this, at least. But yeah. See, look. Sport off, eco on. That's what I do now. That's literally what I do. I turn that, bro. I'm trying to save money, bro. Put that bitch in eco, bro. Holy fuck. Oh, look at the lighting in this. Okay. Yeah, I'm about to head to the gym. I go to Crunch, yo. Crunch has been a blessing, yo. I originally used to go to the gym like frequently, but then I stopped because my excuse was I didn't have time for it, but like I never made time for it. That's the thing. So now I make time to go to the gym, either before work, after work. And if I miss that day, the next day I go, I hit what I was supposed to hit yesterday and what I hit today. So I go there for a longer time. I've been learning how to use them, bro. Because remember, I've never used paddle shifters before. I've been learning how to use them. And it's been good, I'm not gonna lie. But I feel like you'd hear the difference more when you have an exhaust. Yo, rev it! Damn! Straight. And we're out. Oh, that's a trooper. Oh, that's sheriff right there. Right there. Essex County Sheriff. Wow. I'm going to chill in this lane for now. I'm going to chill over here. That nigga's scared for his fucking life. What a nice car. Alright, I need to go to my exit. Good when I look at it. I get goosebumps with that cop out. Trying to find that cop. Fuck it. Oh well. Yo! There was a leak or like a snippet that A Boogie had, bro. That shit was gas, bro. What? I can't wait till I come out. Nigga, there's no way you're trying to get in here, yo. There's no way you're trying to. This guy. You could have done it right here and just make a right. You got behind the slow nigga, yo. Look at y'all. Oh my God. Alright. I want y'all to hear how it sounds. Oh! That was an M8 competition? Nigga, that was an M8 competition, yo. In the hood? Yeah, you're selling drugs. Anyway, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. If not, don't care. Make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe. Comment what kind of content I should do next, man. My next mod, comment that too, yo. What's the next mod I should do? I'm thinking intake, exhaust, and after exhaust, maybe steering wheel and starlights. I look, you want to put stars here too. Like, I hate having that big ass gap right here. Instead of just in the back, I might do that. I might put stars here, like up top. I gotta figure out how to take this off and do it. I think there's a video. There's a video for everything, bro. But at that point, man, I'll see y'all, yo. And yeah, stay tuned for the next upload, yo. Oh! No, I was gonna say something, but never mind. Peace! I gotta give y'all a little 0 to 60 though. I forgot I gotta do that. Set.